Hi guys, hope you're doing well. Today we want to talk about ICT turtle soup, entry zone. Now, turtle soup, not many people talk about, which is simply perch and reverse. If you know, like we sweep a low or sweep a high and we reverse to the opposite direction. Now, turtle soup is simply this. As I draw something simple to you, I hope you understand what this simply is, the frame, the logic that is required. So simply the market trades the way into PD array, into a premium and discount array, which is it could be imbalance, it could be a liquidity, it could be breaker block, order block, whatever it is, market trade into it, right? The market takes this low. By the way, guys, while I'm talking, this frame works on any time frame. I always say this, I always repeat this. No matter if you trade on daily or seconds, it applies to all the time frame. It's all fractal. Now, markets come low, takes out this low, which is turtle soup. Market sweeps it low, and then find a way to go higher. Take out this high with a, which we call a market structure shift. Market trades down into a discount, into an imbalance, probably into it can be like 50% retracement, right? You can find an entry here, target the opposite direction. You could go long right here, and yeah, target the buy side. Now, this is simply the turtle soup and entry zone. I want to show you an example of how it is and how to apply it into real chart. Now, some examples that I can show you. We took out this high. We formed the low market structure, for example, right here. Market structure shift, break this low, form the gap or a CB. Market trades in, go lower. Into where? To right this imbalance. If you want to take to the next level, keep extending right here. See that? Beautiful. So market reverse high. Me personally, I want to trade this. You don't have to capture every move, guys. So here's a better one. Market take out this high. It's turtle soup taking out that goes lower, creating imbalance. Yup, we're right here before imbalance. Market structure shift. Bang. We're waiting what? In order market to trade into this CB. Markets went higher. You can be entering here. Probably pyramid right there. Target the opposite direction. Where? This low. This sell side. So better example. So here also, as we took that low, this is a turtle soup, and plus what's making high probably is this we're into this imbalance. Now market went higher, market structure shift, creating an BC. Market trades in, time distortion takes place, and then Riley's higher to where to the opposite direction to this buy side liquidity. Beautiful, guys. Now let me show you some more example into 1 minute time frame. Now, since we're on a 1 minute time frame, market took out this high, break this low, market structure shift, trades back in. This is where you enter. See that candle? Wicked a little bit, and then breaks lower. What is your target? Probably you 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 take partial right. This equal lows, and then you let the runners to this low. Now the timing isn't correct. I would have traded this time because almost 4 p.m. So let's go to another example. 9:30. This is a beautiful example. Yesterday occurred. Now market open. See the time 9:30. This can now market open. Market took out this high. Turtle soup from the high breaks lower. Market structure shift. The market went higher into where this candle. What is this candle? What is this gap? First, present a fair value gap. All right. Market trades in. This could be an entry right somewhere here. Not here because we need to into a premium because we're way too in discount. Premium 50% breaks lower. This sell side. Take a posture right there. Market went higher and then yeah, actually went lower. This is simply how turtle soup works. What's make this way stronger, what confirms way more or higher probable is when we have SMT. Yesterday we had an SMT with ES on S&P 500. This is Nasdaq. Compare that to ES or Dow Jones. Yes, it makes way more high probable. Now, guys, I hope you got something from this. I hope you understand the frame of how to use it. Let me know what your thoughts are. Leave a like, subscribe. See you next time. Be safe.